Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. You can see we are opening Sips By, my monthly tea subscription. Sips By is a personalized tea subscription. It is $16 a month. They do have a code to get $5 off your first month. If you're interested, I will link Sips By down below along with that code. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. We've been opening this a while on our channel. So this is all personalized to my profile. So if you sign up and subscribe, you fill out a profile, let them know if you like caffeine, decaf, what herbal teas you like, don't like. It's really comprehensive and also quick to fill out as well. So without further ado, let's see what teas we have this month. Isn't that box so cute? December teas. Made for Kitty. Happy holidays, Kitty. It's the most wonderful time of the year to sip on a cup of cheer. We hope your tea matches this month bring you extra warmth, comfort, and joy. And then it says you can post a photo on social media, tag them, and potentially win a free month. So that's cool. Ooh, we have the Babar. I always say that when I see this. I'm like, this reminds me of that fancy elephant, Babar, right? Yeah, someone confirmed that I was thinking right, that he's the bougie cartoon elephant from childhood. Let's start these. So with Sips By, you get 4 different brands of tea each month with about 4 servings of each, and it's great. You get to try them out, and then if you want to purchase the full size, the full box, because you love it so much, you can through their website, usually through a discount or with a discount. So the brand is Trinkabar. Oh, it ends with bar, like Babar too. This is Wild Swans Black Tea Herbal Infusion. So you see it in there, gives instructions, but let's see, Wild Swans. I am intrigued. So this has caffeine, and it is, I was going to read everything that's in it. Let's read the description. In the north, lingonberries grow alongside the Nordic nettle. They make a delicious addition to tea. Wild Swans is the perfect morning tea to awaken your senses for the day. So it has apple, black tea, rosehip, mate green, blackberry leaves, nettle leaves, green tea matcha, lingonberry, natural flavor, blackberry, and safflower petals. That sounds really interesting. I don't know much about lingonberry, but I am definitely going to look that up when I'm sipping a cup soon. Now we have some oolong tea by choice. 4 here. Again, it tells you how to brew it. Caffeine, 3 out of 4. And for the oolong tea, medium caffeine. Choice Organics oolong tea is floral and aromatic. They blend the finest oolong varieties to create a unique and refreshing flavor profile. Undeniably delicious, it can be brewed hot or iced. And then I see we have some David's tea. Ooh, yum! I love a chai tea. This is organic vanilla chai. Warm vanilla comfort. Oh yeah. And this has high caffeine. For those chilly days, get your cozy on with this rich and spicy vanilla chai tea. It's deliciously rich, spicy, and sweet with a hint of creaminess. That's so good. And then our last tea we have by Sips By. Last month I got something from their brand too. I don't think I've tried it yet. But I'll get back to you. But this sounds so good. It says Sips By Test Kitchen Lavender Latte Black Tea. So this is a loose tea. So they give you some disposable tea bags inside a reusable muslin cloth tea bag. And it gives you all the information here. This is so cute. Lavender drinks are so good. So high caffeine. This rich black tea has roasted coffee beans, fragrant lavender blossoms, and a touch of mocha sweetness. Add a splash of oat milk for the perfect lavender latte. Oh my gosh. That sounds so good. I think all of these teas sound so good, and they're all like pretty different, but like I have to say, this sounds the most yummy to me. I mean, they all, like I said, like something comforting about this and different. Lavender latte. When they said splash of oat milk, I'm like, oh, yes, yes. I need to make this. Yum. It's so cute. So those were all of my personalized teas for December. If you guys get Sips By, let me know what you got, because I'm assuming we get pretty different things since we have different profiles. I let them know that I like caffeine. I do drink decaf teas at nighttime. I usually make like my own herbal ones, but I sometimes get like non-caffeinated through here, but I did let them know I like caffeine, so I pretty much always get caffeine. Every once in a while I won't, but yeah, so I can definitely tell they listen to the profile and customize it for me because I seriously always love all the teas, so they do a great job with that. But yeah, I'm also curious what you think of yours and what you got. And yeah, if you guys are interested in subscribing, link is in the description. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, it would make my day if you decide to do so. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. And yeah, just have an amazing day. I'm seriously so grateful you are here. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.